Welcome to Heritage Emotion, and today our language is Serbian. So, what language do you think this is?
Spanish?
Spanish or Catalan, something like that.
Is it Italian?
Italian.
No, it's not a romance language. I know it started out sounding like
So it's European though?
yeah, it is.
Russian? Or Polish? Maybe?
You're very close.
Very close.
Yep.
German?
No, not that. That's beautiful. It's a Slavic language.
Oh,
Like
okay.
Russian and Polish.
Okay.
Like that.
It's not Croatian. Serbian?
Yeah.
Really? Russian?
It sounds Slavic.
You're close.
Yeah.
It's in that area.
It's in that area?
Do you want the answer now?
Yeah.
It's Serbian.
Serbian.
Is that what you have expected Serbian to sound like?
No, not at all.
Where have you guys heard Serbian before, if anywhere?
Worked with a girl that's Serbian, but I've never heard her like speak it, so I don't know.
Yeah, I've never really heard anyone speak Serbian, but I wouldn't have expected it. I would have thought it sounded more harsh than that. That's a very like light.
So now for the highlight of the show.
Highlight of the show, you said? What is it?
Can you imitate what we have just heard in gibberish?
Veći prostor.
Orijem se dobro veći prostor. Če hošte.
Ja se niska. Estrana nusten.
It's like me.
You have to like roll your R.
Yeah, I would do so bad on this. If it was Polish, it'd be fun because Polish has this like like this like very like forward mouth kind of speaking. These accents are very like Slavic.
There's a lot
almost
of hard
like,
C's
Yeah.
and like K's and stuff. Is what it sounds like to me.
It's very harsh. It's very sharp. Yeah, I don't know.
A lot of B's.
I mean, it sounds to me. It sounds to me like, you know, in the direction of how I would probably, if I were to do an impression, it would probably sound like Russian, and it would just sound terrible. And they'd probably feel mad that I actually compared it to Russian.